There are many ways to share a Miro board, whether you're sharing it with somebody that's on your team, that's not on your team, or hasn't even got a Miro account. I'm going to show you every single way, so let's dive in. So there are a number of ways of sharing a board. You need to jump into your board. So this is my board. I'm going to go to the top right hand side and you can click on share. There are a few options here. So first of all, you can invite your team members via email. You can invite them from Slack, Google, or even Microsoft. And you can go ahead. This is your link. You can just change the permissions here as well. And then you can change who will have access overall. You can also embed it. So this board right now is in private mode, so only invited people who are signed in will be able to see it. You can change this over here to the in the invite section. So the free navigation as well as the presentation, you can change that, and then you can go ahead, you can copy this embed code and embed it wherever you need to. Also, you can go to publish. You can publish this as a template to the Miroverse. And if you haven't checked out the Miroverse yet, it's actually awesome. There's tons of community activity there. And then you can also, if you do upgrade, you can create a custom template and you can share this with your team members. Now, if you are sharing it with somebody that is not on Miro or doesn't have a Miro account, you can actually go to the top left. You can export it as a PDF. You can also export it as an image, and then you can see that there are a bunch of other options over here. So there you go, tons of ways of sharing your Miro board. I hope this was helpful.